Local news for Monday the 24th of September. Masterton District Council are in the process of advising parties interested in partnering with the Civic Centre project of the next steps. In August, the council called for parties to express any interest they had in partnering with the project, with 4 received. Chief Executive Kath Ross said the council would also firm up some of the details around what the council expected from the development. For example, she says we need to decide how large we want the venue to be and talk to potential partners around how that may fit with their investment interests. And police continue to make inquiries and to determine how a number of students at Southend Primary School became unwell on Friday. Emergency services were called to the school on High Street about 2:30 with reports of an unpleasant smell and a number of ill children. Officers searched the grounds on Saturday but were unable to identify the source. 10 children were taken to Masterton Hospital and later discharged on Friday. And the Ferries Wairarapa Bush have gone down 37-21 on Saturday in the latest round of the Heartland Rugby competition. Sam Gamby scoring 2 tries for the home side and Glenn Walters adding the extras. The loss drops them from 4th to 7th on the table.